Let's go. I don't need, like, I have so many thoughts running through my head right now. Wow. Let's go. Unforeseen hope. Wow. Yeah, you can't do shit right now, bro. I'm so glad he racers with him. Ah. No. Oh no. Don't touch him. Don't touch him. Don't touch him. Ah. I didn't expect Overhaul to be pushed to the brink like this so soon. Oh, he's gonna fix him too. He can just fix everybody. Did he just combine with him? Holy shit. He can make himself a new organism? Like, oh my god, dude. Yeah, he's completely healed. How is he going to do this, dude? Come on, Deku. Oh my gosh. Yes, use it. Yes. Go. Go, 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 go. You don't have to be afraid anymore. It's okay, man. You got... No, no, no. No, 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 no. Midoriya, you got it. You know what to do. Did it disappear? What? He lost it? What? Oh my god, what? 20% in his head, right? You have to knock him out. Yeah. Manchester? Come on, tell me that worked. Nope, didn't work. He's not experienced enough. Now he's injured. He's trying to bring her back. Oh, he's making her tell what she's thinking. This is where he's gonna prove him wrong. This is where he's gonna prove him wrong. No. No, he's gonna change it. He's gonna change the future he saw. Yeah, that's his thing. Are you gonna throw it? Oh, you're gonna. I thought he was gonna throw it like a missile. Yes, come on. Oh, who's there? Is it All Might? It's All Might. Oh, it's the Dragon Lady. Oh, and Sue and. Woo! That episode went by in like 2 seconds. Oh my god. Preview, okay. Oh my goodness. You know what I was just thinking about? Can you imagine if he was a good guy? Like, he could probably heal All Might. If he was a good guy, he could probably fix everything that was wrong with All Might. Can you imagine? But no, he has to be a bad guy. He has to be a villain. And, bro, oh my gosh. So, the whole thing, like, it's a little predictable, but I'm all for it. I'm all for it. So, Night Eye, like, his foresight saw nothing but failure. Nothing but failure and death. Nothing but failure and death. And Midoriya is going to win. He's going to win somehow with them. You know, everyone else is going to show up, but they're going to do it together. And that's hopefully going to prove Night Eye wrong about Midoriya. And about All Might, hopefully. Because it will show that even if he sees death, that doesn't necessarily mean it's going to happen. I don't know. You know, I don't know. We'll see. Oh my goodness. That is great. Today, the episode was crazy, man. Mirio, that dude, he's messed up, man. He's messed up right now. I really hope that they can find a way to get his quirk back if he doesn't, like, I don't know. I really do hope they figure out a way to, like, they're going to rescue Eddie-chan. They're going to do research on her blood and hopefully find an antidote. Hopefully. You know what would be awesome I just thought about it. I wonder if there's, oh, yes. What if, this is not going to happen. This is not going to happen. But what if that kid who can copy quirks touched Overhaul and got his quirk, and then he could fix All Might? Did I just solve the whole show? Did I just solve the whole show? I don't know. I feel like I did. I feel like if they got the kid from, was it 1B or something? Or 1C? I think it's 1B. The kid that can mimic, I think his name is. He can copy quirks. I wonder if they got him to touch Overhaul and get the healing quirk or the fixing, get Overhaul's quirk. If he could use it on All Might and fix All Might. They can also like fix Midoriya's arm. Maybe get Mirio's quirk back. That's it right there. You just gotta arrest Overhaul, keep him in chains, and then whenever anybody's hurt or seriously injured, you just get that kid to touch Overhaul, then he can use his quirk for good. Boom. I'm so smart. I am so smart. No, there's probably gonna be comments about talking about how like it probably took Overhaul a long time to learn how to create, like break things down and rebuild them, and that kid probably wouldn't be able to do it immediately. But maybe. I don't know. Maybe. Sounds like a solution to me. But we'll see. We'll see what happens. Yeah, I think we're going to call it here, and we'll get back to it next episode. But thanks for joining me. I hope you enjoyed the episode, and I hope you enjoy the rest of your day, and we will see you in the next video. All right, everyone. Bye.